Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. It is going to be my September Boxycharm unboxing. I have my box right in front of me. I've yet to look inside. I also haven't watched any other videos, so I have no clue what I'm getting this month. So if you guys are curious what I got in my Boxycharm for September, go ahead and keep on watching. Boxycharm unboxings. I do these every single month here on my channel. I'm basically just going to go through and show you all of the products in my box. And if you guys do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service where you guys can sign up to receive monthly boxes. They normally have between 5 and 6 full-size products in it, and it is $21 a month. I know if you order more months at a time, you can save a little bit with that. But I will have the link down below to sign up for Boxycharm if you guys want to, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so before we get started, I know this lip color is kind of crazy. I'm trying it out. It's from Colourpop, and it's a very unique color. I don't think I have anything else like this in my collection, but it's also kind of like an odd color, and I don't know how I feel about it. Let me know what you guys think down below, but I know it's kind of distracting, and also it kind of makes my teeth look blue. It's just an interesting lip, but let's go ahead and get started with our Boxycharm. So I just opened it here now, and I have my card right here inside, and it looks like the theme for this month is wildflower. And I always get asked what the number is here on the bottom of mine, and it's number 3. So just so you guys know, there's also a coupon on the back here for 30% off Laura Geller, and then also a Dr. Brandt. This is a VIP offer. So I'm not sure what that is, but it says, Say I Love You, access to special limited edition microabrasion bundle. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we got inside of here. So the first thing I'm going to grab out is from Laura Geller, and this is the Baked Blush and Brighten. So here is what it looks like. It is a very, very pretty baked blush. This one is in the shade Brighten, I guess is the shade, okay? And here is what the inside of the blush looks like. That's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. It does have a bit of luminosity to it. Here is a swatch of it, nice and blended out. That's a really, really pretty color. I like blushes that have luminosity to it. I know a lot of people don't, but I think that this will be a really, really pretty blush color. The retail value on this is $28, so that's a really good value for our first item this month. That is so pretty. Moving right along, we have this Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Eyeliner. This is in Pitch Black, so here is what that one looks like, the nice little packaging here. I like it when they have the grips like this because I feel like it gives you a little more precision. And I've actually never tried an eyeliner like this. I've always been curious about them. So you can see that it has like this little wheel pin there that you're supposed to use to create your liner. So let me swatch this. Ooh. So here is a swatch of it. It looks really, really black, but I just kind of went like this, like that. Looks like it's actually going to be pretty good to create a wing. Like I said, I've never tried an applicator like this, so I'm kind of curious to try this out. So this is $19 retail value. All right, and then the next thing we have is a brush set. So this is from Alamar Cosmetics, and we did get a palette from them before. I didn't know that they had brushes. So we have a 3-piece brush set, and it says that this is made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. So this is an $18 value. Let me go ahead and pull them out here. I love the color of them. So they're this really pretty like bright green color, and then they also have like a copper handle here, or a copper ends. And the brushes look nice. So we have this one here. They don't have any numbers on them, but we have this one here, which is like a really fluffy blending brush. Looks like mine is a little bit bent, but I'm sure once I wash it and everything, it feels pretty soft. So that'll be a nice brush to blend out the crease. And then we also have here a flat definer brush. So a small flat definer brush. I love using those for the lower lash line. And then the last one in here is just a flat shader brush. So you can use this to pack color on the lid. Probably be really nice for like shimmer shades, and it feels really nice. Like it feels nice and dense. That's what I prefer in my shader brushes. So this actually seems like a pretty good brush collection, and actually the quality of it feels really nice. I'll have to try it out. If you guys do not know and you want to see like a try-on of the products that I have in my Boxycharm, I normally do an Instagram tutorial. I try to make it live like the next day, so hopefully that'll be going up tomorrow on my Instagram, so make sure you guys are following me on there if you want to see all of the products in use. And then we also have a Lorac Pro liquid lipstick. This is going to be $19, and the shade that I have is Deep Burgundy. I've never tried Lorac's liquid lipstick, and I actually haven't really heard too much about the formula either, but here is what my shade looks like. It does say that you can get a variety of different shades in the box, so let me go ahead and swatch it. It's a very, very vampy, pretty like berry shade. Here is what it looks like. That's definitely a very, very deep shade, but it feels it smells nice too. It feels like it'll be a nice formula on the lips. Hopefully it's nice and long lasting and not like too sticky or too drying or anything. All right, and then we are on to our last item this month. So this is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is the Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $35. It says that it has 12 highly pigmented shades inside of it. So here's what the palette looks like. Very, very cute packaging. I've never tried anything from Pretty Vulgar, or I do have the eyeliner. I think it's in here in my drawer. I believe we got this a few Boxycharms ago, this gel eyeliner, but I've never tried any of their eyeshadow palettes. So let me open this up. Ooh, this is pretty. So here's what the inside of the palette looks like. That's really cute packaging. I love the way it's like a little bird cage there. That's super cute. It also has a nice size mirror here on the top. And it looks like we can create definitely some really pretty smoky eyes with this. And also like with these shades here, you could do a nice like neutral look. So let me go ahead and swatch all of the shades for you guys. All right, so I went ahead and I swatched all of the 12 shades in this palette, and I will say that the shimmers in this look absolutely beautiful, super, super stunning. The mattes, some of them swatched better than others. A few of them I did have to go over a few times just to show you guys the full pigment of them. That isn't always a problem when it comes to eyeshadow palettes though. Sometimes I prefer them that way. That means that when you go in, they won't be as hard to blend normally in my experience, but I'm really excited to try this palette out. It looks really, really pretty. And I feel like this is a really good palette compared to the last month's palette, which was a super bright, like it was the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. That one was super bright, and I feel like not everyone would like using that. And this I feel like everyone can get use out of, whether you want like a warm, natural look or whether you want like a nice, deep, smoky eye, or you want to use the blue, the copper. I just feel like a lot of people will get use out of this palette, and it seems like nice quality from the swatches. So I'm really excited to try that out. So let's go ahead and add up the total value of this month's box. So the value of this box this month is $119, and all in all, I'm pretty impressed. I feel like I will get use out of all the products this month. I like the blush that we got. This looks absolutely gorgeous. I've never tried a blush from Laura Geller, so that had me really excited. I also think that the eyeshadow palette looks really promising, and it also looks really pretty. The brushes seem like they're gonna be nice quality. Always love getting brushes in my box. And also the eyeliner, I'm kind of curious about that one. The lip color looks pretty. I wouldn't say that it's gonna be like probably my most used lip color, this color anyways, but I definitely am excited about all of the items we got in this month's box. I will have the weight and all of the dimensions and everything on my box linked in the description box if you guys want to check that out. Also the link to sign up for Boxycharm if you guys are not signed up already. I believe you can still get this exact same box I got if you want to sign up through my link. After that, that is going to do it for today's unboxing of the September Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Also, make sure you stay tuned to my Instagram to see a tutorial using all of these products. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, friends.